Birawa, ever wondered how to diversify your income beyond YouTube? It's no secret that having multiple income streams is key to financial stability. Relying solely on YouTube can be risky, given the platform's unpredictable nature. In the coming moments, we'll be exploring some lucrative alternatives: investments, affiliate marketing, and digital products. Each of these can serve as a great complement to your YouTube earnings, forming a robust income strategy. Stay tuned to discover the best ways to generate passive income beyond YouTube. First off, let's delve into the world of investments. Imagine investments as seeds. You plant them, nurture them, and over time, they grow and bear fruit. Instead of seeds, however, we're talking about your hard-earned money. There are several types of investments, but the most common are stocks, bonds, and real estate. When you buy a company's stock, you're essentially buying a small piece of that company. As the company grows and prospers, so does your investment. Bonds, on the other hand, are like lending your money to a company or government. In return, they promise to pay you back with interest after a certain period. It's similar to how a bank loan works, only you're the bank this time. Real estate investing, meanwhile, involves purchasing property for the purpose of generating income. This could be through rental income, or by selling the property at a higher value in the future. Now, these investments can generate what we call passive income. This is income that requires little to no effort to earn and maintain. It's like having your money work for you while you sleep. Who wouldn't want that, right? But here's the catch. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires research, patience, and risk management. You need to understand what you're investing in and the risks involved. The stock market, for instance, can be unpredictable. Prices can go up and down in the blink of an eye. Similarly, the real estate market can be affected by various factors, like the economy, interest rates, and even natural disasters. That's why it's crucial to diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, as the saying goes. Lastly, investing is not just about making money. It's about securing your financial future. It's about making your money grow and work for you. It's about achieving financial independence. Remember, investments can be a great source of passive income, but they do require thoughtful planning and strategy. Next up, we have the lucrative world of affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? Picture this. You're a middleman who connects a customer with a product or service, and you get paid a commission for making the connection. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. You promote products or services from various companies on your platform. And when a purchase is made through your unique referral link, you earn a piece of the profit. There's a smorgasbord of affiliate marketing platforms out there, from Amazon Associates to ClickBank, ShareASale, and more. Each platform has its own unique features and benefits, and the potential earnings can be quite impressive. For instance, with Amazon Associates, you can earn up to 10% in advertising fees, and with ShareASale, you can earn up to 50% of sales. Let's not forget, however, that in affiliate marketing, the key to success lies in choosing products or services that resonate with your audience's interests. It's like fitting puzzle pieces together. You wouldn't want to promote gardening tools on a tech-focused platform, would you? It's all about finding the right match, the right product for your audience. And remember, this isn't about making a quick buck. It's about building trust with your audience. When you recommend products that you truly believe in and that bring value to your audience. You're not just promoting a product, you're building a relationship based on trust, and that's what will keep your audience coming back for more. So, here's the bottom line. Affiliate marketing isn't just about slapping a link on your platform and hoping for the best. It's about understanding your audience, choosing products that align with their interests, and providing genuine value. When done correctly, affiliate marketing can be a powerful tool in your passive income arsenal. With the right strategy, affiliate marketing can be a profitable addition to your income streams. Lastly, let's navigate the realm of digital products. Digital products, in essence, are goods that exist in a digital form. They can be anything from ebooks and online courses to software and digital art. These products, once created, can be sold over and over again, providing a continuous income stream. It's like making a one-time investment of time and effort, and then reaping the benefits indefinitely. Let's take ebooks as an example. If you have a wealth of knowledge about a particular subject, you can package that knowledge into an ebook and sell it online. Once the book is written and the marketing is in place, you can sit back and watch the sales roll in. But remember, the key is to create something that provides value, something that people will want to pay for. Next, we have online courses. Online learning is big business these days. If you're an expert in a particular field, you can create an online course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Just like with ebooks, the initial effort in creating the course can lead to ongoing sales and income. Software is another great digital product. If you're a tech whiz, you can develop a software or an app that solves a particular problem or meets a specific need. The income potential here is enormous, especially if your product becomes popular. But remember, creating software requires a significant investment of time and technical knowledge. Lastly, digital art is a growing field, especially with the advent of NFTs or non-fungible tokens. If you're an artist, you can create digital art pieces and sell them online. This can be an extremely lucrative field if you're talented and know how to market your work. The great thing about digital products is that they can be created once and sold infinitely without any additional manufacturing or shipping costs. But remember, the key to success in this realm is creating high quality, valuable products that meet the needs of your audience. Creating and selling digital products can provide a steady stream of income, complementing your YouTube earnings. Now that we've explored these income streams, how can you put them into practice? You might be asking yourself this question, and rightfully so. The thought of juggling multiple income streams might seem daunting, but with the right approach, it can be a game changer for your financial stability. Firstly, let's talk about starting small. You don't have to dive headfirst into everything at once. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a diverse income strategy. Begin with one additional stream beyond YouTube, perhaps affiliate marketing, or investing in a low-risk asset. Get comfortable with it, understand its nuances, and let it start generating some passive income for you. Once you've got the hang of it, gradually expand. Add another stream, maybe digital products. Create an ebook or an online course on a topic you're passionate about. This not only diversifies your income, but also enhances your credibility and reach. Now let's tackle the elephant in the room, balancing these income streams with your YouTube channel. It's crucial to remember that your YouTube channel is your primary platform. It's your brand, your identity. So, while it's great to explore other avenues, never let them overshadow your YouTube presence. Your YouTube content should remain your priority. These other streams are there to supplement it, not replace it. Think of them as your financial safety net. They provide stability and security, allowing you to take creative risks on your YouTube channel without the fear of financial setbacks. Incorporate these streams into your YouTube strategy. Promote your digital products through your videos. Use your platform to share your investment journey or talk about the products you're affiliated with. This integration not only boosts your income, but also adds value to your YouTube content. And there you have it. Start small, gradually expand, maintain balance, and integrate. These are the steps to diversifying your income beyond YouTube. By diversifying your income, you can create a more stable and robust financial future. So take that first step today and set yourself on the path to financial freedom. To wrap up, let's summarize what we've learned today. We began by understanding the importance of income diversification, not putting all your eggs in one basket, in this case YouTube, is key to financial stability. We explored the world of investments, where we saw that it's not just about having money, but also about making that money work for you. Whether it's stocks, bonds, or real estate, the right investment can provide a steady stream of income over time. Next, we uncovered the realm of affiliate marketing, a fantastic way to monetize your influence or platform. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a commission by promoting other companies' products or services. It's a win-win situation where you provide value to your audience and earn income in the process. We also demystified digital products, highlighting how creating and selling your own digital goods, like ebooks or online courses, can be a lucrative income stream. You put in the work upfront and then sit back and reap the benefits as your product sells time and time again. Bringing it all together, we saw how these various streams can complement your YouTube earnings, forming a robust and resilient income strategy. Remember, diversifying your income is a journey, not a destination. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your financial future grow.